On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat login error. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps. After that, scroll until you find Snapchat, and when you find it, click on it like this. Now what you want to do next is click on this force stop right here and go into the storage here, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on the power usage details. Right here you will find the power consumption alert, make sure that it's enabled and then go back to the home page. Now one last thing you want to do is open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it right there. After that, restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.